Africa. We're still going on that lion hunt. Who would like to be an animal?
Me.
Yes, you would like to be an animal,
animal,
Ben?
yes.
Okay, so Ben, you're in the middle.
Okay.
And we're the team. And we have to decide, is that animal dangerous?
Or
Repeat.
Oh,
dangerous or friendly? Friendly. Oh,
Friendly.
friendly. Oh,
Friendly.
nice and fuzzy. Okay. If it's dangerous, what do?
we
We
run.
run.
Okay, so we say, let's run.
Let's run.
Let's run.
If it's friendly, we stay. So let's stay and then we can give them a hug. Okay?
Hi.
Yeah, of course. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ben, pick a card. Don't show it to them. Show them.
Okay.
Okay? Got it? Okay, Ben. Let's ask him. What animal are you?
What animal are you?
I'm a giraffe.
Ooh. What do we do? Let's
Stay.
stay.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay, great. Okay, Ben, ready?
Yes.
Pick a card. What animal are you?
I'm a lion.
Let's run!
Ah!
Okay, Antoine won because he was the first one to say it. So Ben, you're out, and we got
Okay, you're in.
a new animal. Do you want to be an animal?
Yes.
Okay, so pick a card. Don't show it to us. What do we ask him?
What animal are you?
A gorilla.
Oh.
Let's stay. Yeah, gorilla.
Okay, good. Last card, Antoine. Last card. What animal are you? Let's run.
Snake. Let's run. Ah! Let's run. Let's run.
Let's play with a twist. Okay. So, what food? Let's play with food. What food don't you like?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Okay. So, do you like broccoli?
No, I don't.
Do you like broccoli?
No.
Okay. So we'll say let's run if we don't like the food.
Okay.
We have to decide together. And if we like the food, we'll say let's
eat.
eat.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Antoine, you think of a food, and we're going to ask you, okay? What food are you?
French fries.
Ooh,
Oh,
let's
eat. Let's eat. Ah! Okay.
Okay? Okay, so now we ate you, so
You're out.
Bye.
out. Alice.
1, 2, 3.
What
food are you?
A tomato.
Let's eat.
Good. Okay, you're out. Ben, back in.
Okay.
What food are you?
I'm a broccoli.
Let's
No.
run!
No one likes
Oh,
broccoli.
I like broccoli.
Ah.
Oh.